Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching us on approximation and rounding off of numbers, in this case the whole numbers. Remember, you can also watch my other videos. I remain Miss Augusta. In approximation, 0 to 4 is rounded down to 0, and 5 to 9 is rounded up to 1. Looking at the chart given, we have our numbers 0 to 4, so it's rounded down to 0, and we have 5 to 9, rounded up to 1. By whole numbers, we mean our tens, hundred, thousands, tens of thousands. We also have our millions, billions, etc. Now let's look at the steps to use in solving approximation. The first one says, find the place value. The second, underline the nearest right number to the place value. And the third one is, round off the underlined number and add it to your place value digits. That is, after rounding it off or up, you're going to add it to your place value digits. Let's look at example 1. Round off 4,873 to the nearest tens. The first thing, as usual, I always start with my solution. Okay, I'm going to write out the digits given to me. Then I'm going to start with the first step, the place value. I have my units and my tens. I'm going to stop there. The next thing is to underline my nearest right number to the place value, which is 3. The next one is to round it off. 3, is it 0 or 1? 3 is going to give me 0. So I'm going to add it to my 7, and I'm going to do my addition. 7 plus 0 is 7. Bring down my 8, bring down my 4. Then my 3 is my sacrificial lamb, so it takes 0. And my approximated answer becomes 4,870. Keep watching. Remember, mathematics is fun. Let's go to the next example, which is example 2. We are given approximation, that is, we should approximate 69,881 to the nearest thousand. As usual, I'm going to write my solution. Next, I will start by writing out the numbers given. After that, I'll start with my step, which is the place value. So I'll start with my units, my tens, my hundred, and my thousand. I'm going to stop there. The next, I'll underline 8, which is the nearest right number to my place value. Then I'll ask myself, 8, is it 0 or 1? It is 1 when approximated. So I'm going to bring 1 to my place value digits, and I will add. 9 plus 1 is going to give me 10. So I'm going to write my 0 and take the 1 up. 6 plus 1 is 7, which is like 69 plus 1, which is 70. While the other numbers become my sacrificial lamb, and they take the place of 0. So my approximated answer becomes 70,000. Keep watching. Mathematics is fun. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, to share, and also to click the subscribe button for all the subsequent video. Thank you.